Here I have HP Slate 6 VoiceTab, and let me show you how to insert here micro SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let me start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. Let's open then the back cover by using the following cavity. Let's do it step by step to open the whole thing. And here you can remove the battery by using the following cavity. So let me do it. And as you can see, here you can insert the micro SIM and micro SD card. So let me start with micro SIM card with the characteristic edge right here, and let's put this card in that position right here and press it to the end. Alright, let's also here insert micro SD with the characteristic edge right here and put this card in that position. Let's close the back cover protection. And now you can switch on the device to check out if both cards are working properly. Keep holding power key. In my case, let me remove the battery again for a second. Let's switch on the HP Slate. Alright, the device now is switching on. So let's wait until the operation will be completed. Alright, let's unlock the screen right now. Here let's tap apps icon, then find here and select the settings. Choose here more under wireless and network, and here you can tap the mobile networks. As you can see, the device is reading one SIM card. You can go back and you can open here storage, and you can check out that the device is reading the SD card. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.